Ready to explore a different side of K-pop? Today we're delving into the emotional world of Rosé's solo ballad, Number One Girl. This isn't your typical upbeat, energetic K-pop track. In this tutorial, you'll learn to accompany yourself in this emotional song. Let's begin. Here's our middle C for reference. We'll be learning the song in the original key of G major. Let's preview the intro so you can hear how it sounds. We'll begin by focusing on the left hand. The pattern goes C, C, D, E, D. Then we have D, E, and F sharp. Now let's add the right hand. When you play C with your left, you'll play C and E together with your right. Next, as you play D on your left, your right hand plays D and F sharp together. When you move to E on your left, paired with E and G on the right. Then D and F sharp play together. Repeat the same notes again. Then move back to E and G. Finally, as you play F sharp with your left hand, the right hand plays F sharp and A together. Now let's put it all together, playing slowly with both hands. And we have G major chord, which starts our first section. For a simpler version, you can play just the top note of the right hand. The pattern for your right hand then becomes E, E, F sharp, G, F sharp, F sharp, G, and A. And into our verse section with G major. Playing that in normal timing, we have this. We'll call the section of the song P1, and you'll see it appear in various sections throughout the rest of the song. That brings us to the first section. Our first chord is G major, with G on the left, and D, G, and B played together on the right. Next is D over F sharp, with F sharp on the left, and D, F sharp, and A played together on the right. Next we have E minor, with E on the left, and E, G, and B played together on the right. D major, with D on the left, and D, F sharp, and A played together on the right. And C major, with C on the left, and C, E, and G played together on the right. The 5 chords are G major, D over F sharp, E minor, D major, and C major. Finally, we have G over B, with B on the left and B, D, and G played together on the right. So that's G major, D over F sharp, E minor, D major, C major, and G over B. Then we play P1, which is what we learned earlier for the intro. We'll then repeat the previous chord progression again with G major, D over F sharp, E minor, D major, C major, and G over B. Then we'll only play the first part of P1. So that last part of the verse sounds like this. For the chorus section, everything is pretty much the same as the verse section, except I recommend playing octaves on the left hand instead of just single notes like so. This helps create a fuller chorus and since the chorus serves as a climax of the song, the fuller arrangement helps build towards that climax. That brings us to the bridge section, where the first chord is A minor 7, with A on the left and A, C, E, and G played together on the right. Or you can play C, E, and G together on the right. Next is G major, D over F sharp, E minor, D over F sharp, and G major. On the left hand, after playing our G major chord, the left hand will play the passing notes A and B and land on D for our D major chord. Let's try that again, but this time with proper timing for each chord. A minor 7, G major, D over F sharp, E minor, D over F sharp, G major, passing notes A and B, and land on D major. Then on the left hand, we'll play passing notes C and B and land on A minor 7. From A minor 7, we have G major, D over F sharp, E minor, D major, and C major. From the start of the bridge, we have A minor 7, G major, D over F sharp, E minor, D over F sharp, G major, passing notes, D major, passing notes, A minor 7, G major, D over F sharp, E minor, D major, and C major. For the third chorus, I recommend playing the first half of the chord progression one octave higher to create a soft start of the chorus. By starting the chorus softly, we create contrast that helps build anticipation for the powerful climax in the second half of the chorus. For the second half of the chorus, play the chord progression as you normally would. And then we pause before playing the outro. Here's what the outro sounds like. The first chord of the outro is C over D with D on the left and E, G, and C played together on the right. Then we have D major with D on the left and D, F sharp, and A played together on the right. And we end with G major with G on the left and D, G, and B, or D, G, B, and D played together on the right. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want more like it, be sure to subscribe for more weekly piano tutorials.